Hey guys, so today I'm gonna open this box, and inside I think there's 15 figures. I got this off eBay, so let's take a look. There are a few in here that I was really looking forward to, and some that I already have, and some that, well, let's look at them. I mostly do customs on this channel, that's why I get a lot of these lots. This is an old 2003 shredder without the mask. I have an idea of what I might do with him. He's a little beat up. Well, he's very beat up, but that's okay, because I'm going to make him custom. Yeah, I'm going to have to fix his leg there, or his foot. This is from that movie in 2003, or there are a lot of different toys from this movie, but it was just one movie. I don't know how they got so many toys out of it. 2012 Mikey here. I'm gonna customize him one day. 2003 Donnie. Oh, he's one of the, like, does something. I didn't know that. I can still use him, but wasn't what I was hoping for. Oh well, I can still use him. At least his head is good. Old classic 87 RAF, and then these guys I was excited about. Pretty sure they're from the 2003 series, the Kid Turtles. Well, yeah, they've got to be from the colors. Those are dope. Now, let's do one at a time. This is a knockoff movie star turtle, Leo, obviously. This is dope. It's a classic or a re-release. It doesn't say on his foot, but that's awesome. Mondo Gecko. Got a couple of these guys. They do flips, but not much I could do with them. Maybe use some parts off him one day. We'll see. 2012 RAF. Always like doing customs with these guys. This guy is from the 2012 series. Possibly. I can't see that little writing. I'm not sure about this guy. Where's he from? Yeah, I don't know who this guy is. Let me know in the comments. This is, I guess, a training baton of some sort. And then this guy, what really sold me on the lot, he is a beast. He looks crazy. I have an idea of who I'm going to do with him, but he looks pretty awesome already. Who is he? This is not Dog Pound. Dog Pound didn't look this good or this big. Got the ponytail. Is he like a 2003 Raza? Razor? Oh, he also has action. That's cool. What does it say on here? I need this magnifying glass. I still can't make it out. I need more magnifying glass. Oh yeah, he is a 2003 figure. Anyway, and this sumo wrestler guy, that's dope. Okay, so I was gonna turn him into the IDW comics version of Razor. We'll see. Let me know in the comments what you think. So these are, most of them, gonna be turned into customs. These guys are just gonna go on display the way they are because they're dope. And until then, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.